As a class teacher, tracking student performance shouldn't be a headache. In this quick tutorial, I will be more than happy to show you how to create a smart, usable report card in Excel step by step, and I'll do this in the record time of 5 minutes. Well, let's dive into it. Well, let's start by listing your students and subjects. Each row represents a student and each column holds their marks. Keep it clean and consistent. And as you can see, take your time, take the liberty to type in everything accurately as possible. Be sure to create a column for the grades per subject. Now you can either do that, or you could just copy this, do that, and there we go. Don't forget to always click the Ctrl S to save your work and to prevent loss of work. Alright, now to enter the marks and use the formulas, as I've already taken the liberty to enter in all the marks. Let's get into it. Now to find the total, we get the sum. Like I said, before beginning every single formula, you start with the equals to and type in sum and double click on that. Now sum depends on what you're adding. Now personally, we shall be adding their marks. So that plus that plus that plus that. Simplest way to do this is just to click while holding on the Ctrl button. After that, close bracket and enter. That's as for average, like I said before beginning, equal sign. I'm writing the word average. Double click on it. Average of what? Average of his marks. Control that, control that, control that, and control that, and enter. Now, as you see, we just got for one student. How about to get it for all? Now you see this darker, thicker dot, square at the bottom. Hold on to it, double click and drag to the bottom, and it automatically gets you the sum. Do the same for average, and voila, you have for all of them. As for rank, you can rank in accordance to either average or the total, but I'll choose equals to rank, and since I'm doing it according to average, rank average, and that. Now I select entire that and enter. Oh, supposed to select only one. Rank this and enter. And then it's going against that reference, and in what order we shall use 0 for descending, enter, and do the same for that. Now to leave a comment, we shall use what they call the if function, equals to if, and now open bracket. Now you choose. Comment is in accordance to, let's say, most importantly, when getting the rank, don't forget that during references you should use absolute referencing, which is the addition of the $sign to this. This prevents changes since it's referencing to an absolute cell. And with that, there we go. As for comment, if logic test, if the average is greater than, let's say, 70, my bad, if it's greater than 70, then what your true value should be good. But in case it's not that, the false value will be, let's say, try harder. Enter. Now for those whose are greater, good, and for those who are below 70, as you can see, they are to try harder. Now to add the grade, well, the grade we shall still be using the if function. Now take your time to carefully type this in, equals to if whichever the logic test, if it's greater than something, give it a grade, and yeah, if you can input this in according to your grading scale, press enter and do the same. It should give you that. Now you can simply copy it to the other grade fields. It doesn't matter, in accordance to the marks, it will be sure to automatically change. And there we go. Well, till next time, that was been creating a report form using Excel. Until Quallock signing out. Well, make it easy to read. Use bold, headers, borders, and color coded cells, and to highlight top performance or areas needing improvement. This has been Tech Warlock signing out for now.